wasting the precious resources He gave us. We got chickens from God, but us humans are turning it into fried chicken. God gave us potatoes, but we turned it into French fries and chips. Why does everything have to be changed by us humans? Why? If you realize this song is fun at the beginning, but you will realize our humans' mistakes by the end of this video. And you never know when you're wasting resources. You never know when you're wasting resources. You never know when you're wasting resources. You never know when you're doing something wrong. Make sure not to get influenced by these evil humans. I'm crying right now. I'm crying.